Hi to everybody. Today I want to show you how to make empty spots in your tapestry. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just weaving here around, and I want to make a rectangular shape. So I'll just keep on weaving, and once I'm done, what will show up are just those naked threads, and I will explain how to hide it, and I think it's gonna be fun. So as you can see, I'm done. Now I'm just gonna show you how I hide those naked warp threads. So I'm gonna cut like right in the middle. Okay. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna take the first warp thread here, and I'm gonna place it right just there you go, like this. Okay. I know at the start it seems a bit complicated because all of those warp threads are a bit messed up, so it can be a bit confusing, and it's a work that needs a lot of patience. Okay, so this is the result, and then now we are gonna cut off all of it.